Are you ready to make your WordPress website more user-friendly in 2025? Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to make a phone number clickable on your site so visitors can call you with just one click. This small tweak can make a big difference in how people connect with your business online. First, open your web browser and go to wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the login button at the top right. You can log in using your credentials, or if you've linked your Google account, just click Continue with Google. It's fast and hassle-free. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the Quick Links panel on the right side and click Edit Site. Select the website you want to work on and you'll be taken to the main editing interface. Now, navigate to the page or post where you want the clickable phone number. Highlight the phone number or text you want to turn into a link. At the top, in the toolbar, click the link button. In the URL field, type your phone link in this format. tel:1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. The tel part is crucial. It tells browsers and devices that this is a phone number. Once you've added the link, hit save and that's it. Your phone number is now clickable. Visitors can tap or click it and call you directly from your website. This small addition improves user experience and makes it super easy for people to reach you. Making your WordPress site more interactive doesn't have to be complicated. With this simple trick, you've taken one more step toward a professional, user-friendly website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.